Good afternoon, Mr. Akbar. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, I can. Loud and clear, Mr. Ganendra. Good afternoon. It's a pleasure to meet you virtually.
Likewise, Mr. Akbar. I really appreciate your time today. How are things going over there in Germany?
It's been pretty good, though the weather's been colder than usual, logistic works doesn't stop even when it's snowing. How about Jakarta? Still hot as ever?
You're right. It's been sunny and humid as always, but that's part of living in the tropics. Anyway, I'm glad we finally managed to schedule this meeting after exchanging a few emails.
Yeah, same here. I've reviewed your company profile briefly, FiagiMotor. Seems to be one of the fastest growing automotive companies in Southeast Asia, right?
That's correct. FiagiMotor Group has expanded rapidly in the last few years. We focus on manufacturing reliable vehicle for both personal and industrial purpose. And that's exactly what I would like to discuss with you today.
Perfect. Let's get into it.
Well, the purpose of today's negotiation is to explore a potential cooperation between Viagi Motor Group and Eurotech Logistics for vehicle procurement. We've studied your company operation and found that you are expanding distribution route across both Europe and Southeast Asia. So we like to propose our latest product line, the Lahko Gini 4S, designed specifically for logistic efficiency and long distance durability.
Call Guinea Forest. That's quite a unique thing. Tell me more about it.
Hmm. Yes, it's a bit sketchy, but it represents the spirit of innovation and practicality. The Lamborghini 4S is equipped with our new Eco Drive Plus engine, which improved fuel efficiency about 15% compared to the regional average. It also includes an advanced cooling system and reinforced suspension, ideal for heavy-duty logistics. On top of that, the cabin design is built for driver comfort, with an upgraded digital dashboard and a GPS integration.
That sounds impressive. Efficiency and comfort are both critical for us. What about the sales support?
We take that very seriously. Our offer includes 3 years of full maintenance, on-site service training, and customized fleet branding at no extra cost. We even assign a dedicated liaison officer from our Jakarta office to support your regional operation.
That's good to know. What's the price per unit?
So our base price is around 28,000 per unit with a minimum order of 30 units. Given your company scale, I believe this package offers excellent value, especially considering the warranty, branding, and technical support included.
Hmm, that's like, that's slightly above our budget. We're aiming for around 25,000 US dollars per unit, as we've received a few other offers within that range. We should be able to, I don't know, lower your price.
I understand it, Mr. Akbar. However, the Lamborghini 4S uses upgraded component, especially the transmission and safety system, which make it difficult to go below 27,500 US dollar. But we're willing to make it more attractive. We could include you with free shipping for the first batch, priority delivery, and an extended warranty up to 4 years.
That's quite a strong offer. Still, our management has a strict pricing policy, and long-term maintenance costs are also part of our consideration. How about spare parts availability in unit?
That is a very great question. We currently have authorized service partnered in Poland and the Netherlands. We are also planning to establish a joint service hub in Germany within the next year. So you wouldn't need to worry about the part availability. We can supply within 5 to 7 working days.
That's reassuring. And what's your standard delivery time for the vehicles?
Within 60 days after the contract signing, including all quality checks, export documentation, and shipping. If needed urgently, we can prioritize up to 15 units for early shipment. within 45 days.
Hmm. All right. The offer sounds solid, but our preferred payment term is 30% down payment and 70% after delivery. From what I read in your company's policy, you usually request 50% upfront, correct?
Yes, that is correct. The 50% deposit help us maintain production and shipping schedule. However, since this is a potentially long-term partnership, I could propose 40% upfront provided that the total order increase to 35 units or more.
Hmm. I see your point, but unfortunately, our current budget is quarter only covers 30 units, and increasing it would require a separate board approval. To be honest, even though your product specifications are very convincing, the price gap remains a bit too wide for us at this stage.
I completely understand it, Mr. Akbar. Negotiation is always about finding a middle ground and truly appreciate your transparency. Even if we can't close the deal today, I hope we can keep communication open for future opportunities.
Absolutely. I'm genuinely impressed by your presentation and flexibility. It's clear that FiagiMotor Group values professionalism and customer satisfaction. Unfortunately, for this quarter, they'll have to decline due to the pricing and payment structure.
That is completely fine, Mr. Akbar. It's been a pleasure discussing this with you. And who knows, when Eurotech expand further into Southeast Asia, maybe we find a better opportunity to collaborate.
Yeah, I think so too. Especially since we are planning to open a regional office in Singapore next year. We might revisit this conversation when that happens. By the way, could you send me a full proposal and technical brochure for the Lamborghini for rice? I'd like to represent it to my senior mention for future reference.
Of course, I email you the complete package right after this meeting, including our company profile and warranty details. And please, don't hesitate to contact me directly if you have any question. I'll be happy to assist anytime.
That's great. Thank you, Mr. Ganendra. I really appreciate how you handled this negotiation. Very professional, yet friendly.
Thank you as well, Mr. Akbar. It's been a valuable discussion. I truly hope this is just the beginning of a long-term connection between Viagi Motor and Eurotech.
Likewise, I'll stay in touch once our next procurement phase begins. Have a productive week ahead, and hopefully one day we'll meet in person.
That would be wonderful. Thank you again for your time, Mr. Akbar. Please send my regard to your team.
Will do. Take care, Mr. Ganendra. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Akbar.